morning. I'm in my studio. It's early. I have bedhead. I've just started. You're the first person I spoke to today. I wanted to do a follow up. And so now I guess I'm doing tutorials, at least for a little bit. The workshop that we did was very kind of got the energy flowing. I wanted to talk about project oriented work and the benefits that I see for it. So, a project, as opposed to one piece at a time, is something that you set out to do. So, as I showed you, I set up all of my blank canvases, and then I pick a theme that I'm interested in doing research and development on. There's the bedhead view. And so, that could be any topic. For me, it's been things like the value of people for community. It's been the value of street smarts. It's been belonging, the people's sense of belonging to land and place and stuff like that. You can pick any topic. It could be about baking. It could be about animals, society, culture, religion, faith, any topic, bringing fire back to the land. And then in your research, the things that you dig into, the videos that you watch, the books that you read, the interviews that you do, go out into your community and talk to people. I have used several resources to add to the layers of my projects by doing Zoom videos. Sometimes I take those Zoom videos and I turn them into art films. I use my smartphone to create perspective on some of the pieces that I'm working on. And then instead of writing a book about something that I've gone out and learned about, that research is in my paintings and in my films. And so that's really what I wanted to share, is that if you want to dig into a project, dig into something that you want to feed your soul with. What do you want to learn? What are you interested in? What do you want to dig into and really get just the fullness of that topic, and then bring it back into the studio and paint about it. Paint the pictures from the research or from the interviews. So anyhow, I hope that inspires you. I think there's going to be a part 2 to this, but we'll see.